3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you are watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, an education for us all. So this is the cooking segment, which we call Cooking Made Simple. It's on this channel, and we've also created another channel in the name Cooking Made Simple. So to show you the ingredients today, we're going to make spaghetti. Baked spaghetti bake, as we call it, and it's got various other things in it. These things have been boiled already so that I'm quicker with the filmmaking. So we have cauliflower, we have some onions that have been softened, broccoli, and potatoes, and finally there's tomatoes. These are called plum tomatoes, but you can use tomatoes of your choice, and cheese. Okay, so what we're going to do is make the sauce first. So I should have shown you that. So what I always use is tomatoes, either tomato puree or what's here, peeled tomatoes, and a sauce, tomato sauce again, and it's got herbs in it. So we're going to prepare the sauce first and then progress. So this is the start of our sauce, viewers. So I've put the tomatoes in. I'm just going to put the herb sauce in. Okay, so that is in now. And into that we're going to cut an onion and some garlic. Okay, you'll need a knife. So we're going to boil that for about 10 minutes or so. So the mixture's ready there, viewers. As I say, that is the sauce. And we're going to cover that for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, it's bubbling away nicely now, viewers. We're going to add the spices. So I should have mentioned that I've got salt, pepper, chilies, chili flake, and garam masala. Obviously, you put the spices to your taste. We can give that a minute to mix. That looks to be nicely done now, viewers. So we're going to pour the sauce into the cooking tray with the spaghetti. So we've poured the sauce on, so we need to spread it nicely throughout, and we need to now just toss, turn a little bit so that all the spaghetti is soaked or mixed. So as you can see, all the spaghetti isn't soaked, so you need to toss and turn it. Okay, that should take us a minute or so. So we're going to put the ingredients on now, viewers, in each layer. So we're going to start with the onions. So let's spread the onions, please. Spread, karo. Okay, so these need spreading. So the onions are nicely spread now. So what I like there is a thin layer of cheese. If you like lots, that's fine, but I prefer it thinly like this. So the cheese is on nicely now, and we need to layer it with the other ingredients, viewers. So we've got broccoli, we've got cauliflower, and we've got tomatoes, and we have some potatoes. So we'll start with the cauliflower and broccoli. So as you can see, we've spread our cauliflower and broccoli to our taste. You can do it how you like. So we like both cauliflower and broccoli. So we're going to put a thin layer of cheese on there. So the cheese is on there now. So just two more things. Firstly, tomatoes. So we'll put those on, please. So the plum tomatoes are nicely on there, viewers, and we're ready for our last layer, which is potatoes. So as I say, I have boiled these for about 5 minutes, but if you like your potatoes hard, then just put them on top. So we're going to layer this all around. So as you can see, the potatoes have been put on top, and now we're going to finally put a thicker layer of cheese on. So that's all nicely layered now, viewers, and we're going to put that into the oven for about 20 minutes or so, and then hopefully our spaghetti bake is ready. Spaghetti, broccoli and cauliflower bake, I should say. So let's put it into the oven. So it's in the oven now, viewers. As you can see, I'm going to cook this for about 15 minutes and gas mark 7. That looks nicely done to me from now, viewers, so let's take it out. So that is our final product now, viewers. Let's take a small section and see how it tastes. Okay, that will do. So let's have a taste of the broccoli. Whoops, nope, it's not going to fall there. I'll have to pick it up with my hand. That is excellent. So that is the end of another cooking video, viewers. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and I do hope you will try the recipe at home. So please, as always, we make the plea, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends, family, whoever you know about the channel. Please help me to get to the magical 1,000 and the 4,000 views. So both of those have been a little bit disappointing in the recent past, so please help in whatever you can. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching, goodbye, look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना, अल्लाह हाफिज।